So hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Shishan and you are watching Ira's World. So guys, today I'm going to show you how you can get MagSafe wireless charging in your iPhone. The iPhones which supports wireless charging or iPhone which doesn't support wireless charging. I hope you are understanding what I'm trying to say you. How to get wireless charging MagSafe feature in iPhone X or any iPhone. So firstly guys, I want to show you some of the preview or animations I have enabled in my iPhone. As you can see here, just hold on. This is my wireless charger of Digitech. As you can see, this is my iPhone X and it supports wireless charging. So just hold on what I'm trying to say. You can see there is a new animation of charging which we meet in iPhone 12. As I hope you are understanding. My English is not so well, so please don't mind. I'm trying to say that there is a new feature which is previewed in iPhone 12, that is MagSafe charging. The new animation of charging which includes magnets in charger as well as in the hardware of the iPhone 12. Okay guys, so this is that the charger will automatically stuck with the magnets and it will not disconnect or removed by any of the accidental touches. I hope you are understanding. Okay guys, so how you can this cool animation in any iPhone. So firstly guys, this is my iPhone X, so I will show you how you can get this. Okay guys, so make sure you subscribe to my channel and watch this video completely. So let's start guys. As you can see, this is my iPhone X and this is currently running on iOS 13. If you are currently running on iOS 14, no worry. As you can see, this is my iPhone X model and the software version is iOS 13.7. You can also get this feature in iPhone 6, 6s and as well as 5s. So guys, I have showed you in my iPhone X, then I will show you then how you can do this in your any iPhone. The iPhone which is currently running on iOS 12, iOS 11, just you need iPhone your jailbroken. My iPhone X is right now jailbroken and I'm running on iOS 13, and in this iPhone, this is iPhone 6s and this is running on iOS 14. So you can see here Checkra is installed and Cydia is working properly. As you can see, I will give the link in the description. Just hold on, I will show you the link. So I will give the link in the description. You can see this is the link, http magtap.beta. You need to click on this one and just click on open in Safari browser. As you can see here, just you need to click on this icon. You can see Safari icon. Just you need to click on this one and just hold on. It will it will wait to load website. So just hold on. As you can see, this website will look like this one. This website will be opened. So what you need to do, just click on plus icon, you can see, and you need to click on open button. As you click on open button, it will show the install the source button. You need to click on install the source. As you can see, it just wait for 2 seconds. It just download some files or download the repo in the Cydia. As you can see, it shows return to Cydia, so just need to click on return to Cydia and ignore all the temporary updates. Now what you need to do, just clear all the applications, just open the Cydia application again, and what you need to do, just hold on and you need to go for sources. As you can see, just find the repo you added right now, mtag. Sorry guys, as you can see, this is the repo, so just need to click on this one, and after this you can see there is showing all packages. Just need to click on this one, and after this you can say MagSafe. Just click on this one, and after this tap on install and tap on confirm button. There's a tweak about 150 KB, so just it will take 2 seconds to install, as you can see, and after this you need to click on return to Cydia. As you can see, it's just reloading data, so just hold on, return to Cydia, and after this you need to go to the settings button. As you can see, this is the settings, and just find here MagSafe. As you can see, MagSafe is here, and after this you need to enable this tweak, and you can see here use low power mode color, and after this trick will not apply before you. After this you need to click on apply button. As your apply button is clicked, it will restart your Springboard. As your iPhone will be restart, or I can say as your Springboard will restart. Now you connect your iPhone with charger and you will see that animation. So just hold on. Then if you use wireless charger or any of the wired charger, it will show this animation always same. As you can see, let me connect to my charger and you can see the new animation. There is not that battery sign here, charged or charging. As you can see, there is a new MagSafe charging of iPhone 12. So this is the trick how you can get MagSafe charging in your any iPhone, the iPhone 6, iPhone 5s as well as iPhone X. The charging supported devices, wireless charging supported devices will also get this tweak. I hope you like this video. Make sure you smash the like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to my channel if you are new here. So thank you guys, thanks for watching. Thank you.